Welcome to SBS World News. My name is Udal Mohammed. This evening we bring you news of a bombing in Syria which has killed at least 3,000 people. We now cross to our foreign correspondent.
Shohan here. Behind this brick wall, we believe that the explosion has taken place just over there. Around 3,000 people have been...
White laundry. Separate the colors.
Jessica, these white folks don't understand me.
What do you think, Jeeves? Judging by the colour of his skin, I'd say it's racially motivated. This is the third African American killing this week.
White laundry. Separate the colors.
Don't worry, girl. When prom comes around, I'll be all over you.
Separate the colors.
Judging by the colour of his skin.
White folks.
White.
White folks don't understand.
White.